Hello everyone, this is Fire Lighting. Experience the new immersive the magic of lighting. All the surprise await at the Getshow Expo. At this exhibition, we're proud to launch new products from 3 major series. FA series lighting fixture, FA17C full spectrum 4-in-1, FA17 high CRI 4-in-1, FA1507 IP large diameter beam, new lasers lighting source, FA300 beam IP, and FA500 BSW IP. Of course, our lighting console is indispensable. This year's newly launched E-Series, the E3 Compact, the E3 Lite, feature a compact appearance and a professional coil. Also, the newly FD numerical system. This includes the FD hoisted stage machinery control consoles, FD VFD3X controller, FD500T and 1000T chain host, and FD5010 double light winch. Getshow officially launched April 6 to 8. We sincerely invite you to visit our booth. Immerse yourself in the stunning interplay of lighting. Witness the collusion of the technology and art. We are waiting for you at the Getshow.